Good morning everyone. I Swati Misir on behalf of Signet Public School wishing you all a happy Dashera. Today on the occasion of Dashera I would like to share with you few information about Dashera. Dashera is the festival celebrated to commemorate the victory of Ram over the 10-headed king of Rakshasas, Ravan. This is perhaps the most popular tale that every Indian associates with the festival of Dashera. When Sita was abducted by Ravan, Ram along with his brother Lakshman, his follower Hanuman and an army of men waged a war against Ravan. The conflict culminated with the defeat of Ravan and his death in the war. This happened on the day of Dashera. It is this occasion that people celebrate by burning effigies of Ravan. It is said before Ram left for Lanka, he had prayed to Durga for the victory. Durga, who is associated with Shakti, had blessed Ram. Another story that is associated with the Dashera is the one about Durga vanquishing the Rakshasa Mahishasur. When Mahishasur wreaked havoc and had defeated all gods, Vishnu, Brahma and Shiva combined their power and created Shakti in the form of Durga to destroy Mahishasura. The victory of Durga over Mahishasura is celebrated as Vijayadashmi or Dashera. After 9 days celebration of Durga Puja, the 10th day is celebrated as Vijayadashmi. This is the last day of Durga Puja when idol of Durga are consigned to water. A lesser known story that is associated with Dashera is that of the Pandavas after the Pandavas lost the game of dice to the Kauravas. They were exiled for 13 years. In the last year of their exiles, the Pandavas had to live in disguise. Before they left the forest, they hid their powerful weapon under a shami tree so that no one could find them when they returned after a year. It was they found their weapon lying under the tree untouched. The Pandavas declared war on the Kauravas soon after this and won the battle against them. Since then, the exchange of shami leaves has become a custom among people as it symbolizes good will and victory. In the many parts of the country, people worship the shami tree on Dashera. The festival of Dashera also marked the beginning of the war season. It is said that in the ancient times, kings used their festival to cross the borders and fight against their neighboring countries. This custom was known as Simulanghan. The celebration of Dashera in India, however, started in 17th century when the king of Mysore had ordered for the celebration of occasion on the large scale. Since then, the festival of Dashera has been celebrated with great pomp and enthusiasm. The festival is symbolic as it enables people to win over their fears and celebrate the victory of good over evil. May Navadurga and Lord Rama keep lightening your path of success and help you to get victory in every phase of your life. Let's celebrate the victory of forces of good over evil. Wishing you all a very happy Dashera. Thank you.